Key skills for data analysis success. Data analysis is a critical role in today's data-driven world. To excel as a data analyst, here are some essential skills you should master. Statistical analysis. Understanding patterns and trends through statistical methods is crucial for making data-driven decisions. Data visualization. Tools like Tableau, Power BI, and Excel help present complex data in clear, actionable insights. SQL. Mastering SQL is essential for querying and managing large datasets. Excel proficiency, a powerful tool for data manipulation and analysis. Programming. Skills in Python or R can enhance data analysis with advanced techniques and automation. Critical thinking. The ability to interpret data and draw meaningful conclusions is key. Stay curious and continue to develop these skills to thrive in data analysis. Thanks for watching this video. To get next video, please subscribe the channel. Allah Hafiz.